In this video, I'd like to introduce you to the Vako 2012 lift system. It's a beautiful profile. It's sleek and clean. It's only 2 3/8 inch projection, which makes it a really slim choice for big shades or medium-sized shades. What's amazing about this system is its keyed tube. It actually has these keys on the inside of the tube, which helps with motorization and fitting all the adapters inside, and it's a powerhouse. It's a very thick gauge metal aluminum tube. These spools actually fit over this tube, and they have these nifty rollers, which helps the system run really smoothly when you're operating it. And it has a chain control clutch, it has a hand crank clutch, and it can easily be motorized. Please see our other videos where I go in deeper into these systems.